Today I'm going to teach you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker with your Zoom meeting. This is particularly useful when you want better audio quality during your calls or need to share the conversation with others in the room. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app on your device. Once the app is open, go ahead and either join an existing meeting or start a new one. It's important that you're actually in a meeting to access the audio settings we need, so don't worry if you need to start a quick test meeting just to follow along with these steps. Now that you're in the meeting, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several control options. Among these buttons, you'll find one labeled More. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with additional features. From this menu, select Settings. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your Zoom experience, including the audio configuration we're working on today. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a panel appear on the right side of your screen. This panel contains different categories for adjusting your Zoom preferences. Look for the option labeled Audio and click on it. The Audio section is where all your input and output device settings live, allowing you to control which microphone and speakers Zoom uses during your meetings. In the audio settings, you'll notice two main sections, one for microphone and one for speaker. Focus on the speaker section for now. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that currently shows whichever audio output device Zoom is using at the moment. Click on this drop-down menu to see all available audio devices connected to your computer or mobile device. Scroll through the list until you find your Bluetooth speaker, which should be listed by its device name. Once you spot it, click on your Bluetooth speaker to select it. The great thing about Zoom is that once you make this selection, the changes apply automatically. You can simply close the audio settings panel and your Bluetooth speaker is now enabled and ready to use for your meeting. You should immediately start hearing the meeting audio through your Bluetooth speaker rather than your device's built-in speakers. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Bluetooth speaker to your Zoom meeting, ensuring you get the audio quality and volume you need for your calls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.